Let's renew your Texas nursing license in just 60 seconds. Renewal period. Biennial basis. Every 2 years. Expires on the last day of your birth month. Renewal opens 60 days before expiration. No physical reminders. Check your email. Step 1. Log into your Texas Nurse Portal. Step 2. Complete 20 contact hours of continuing nursing education, CNE. Area of practice. Ensure CNE aligns with your specialty. Time frame. Earned within the current licensing period. Alternate. Maintain a board-approved national nursing certification. Step 3. Pay the renewal fee. Earn $68. LVN $45. Accepted payments, credit or debit card. Step 4. Submit your renewal application. Note: application becomes available 60 days before expiration. Important: expired license cannot practice until renewed. Reactivation required if license has expired. Need assistance? Contact Texas Board of Nursing. Address 333 Guadalupe, Suite 3 to 460, Austin, Texas 78701. Phone 51230574000. Website www.bon.texas.gov.